How to make Google Photos as your default photo application on your iPhone device. Here with me just in some minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again, and let's start this video without any further delay. So you have to make some settings on your iPhone device in order to make Google Photos as your default photo application. As you can see on my device, I have Google Photos and I have iCloud Photos also. Firstly, I will make some settings on my iPhone device. To do it, click on the setting of your iPhone here and search for the Photos option. That is your iPhone default photo application. Click on the Photos, and here you will see that there is a two option in front of you to optimize iPhone storage or to download and keep originals. You simply have to click this setting to get high quality Google Photos on your account. The second thing you have to do is click and disable the iCloud Photos like this. So you simply have to do not worry about this. So here I can simply turn it off, and after that you will clearly go on your Google Photos here and click on the backup button to receive backup on your device. After clicking on the backup, you will receive every one single photos backup on your device right now on your iPhone. So this is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates and videos like this.